subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for latest updates.
Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghuveer. In this class we will discuss about log probability, imbalanced data and numerical features in naive Bayes. This class is completely dependent on our previous 5 classes which we already discussed on naive Bayes. The formulas and equations which we use here are already discussed in our previous class. Our assumption here is you have already watched all those classes. Based on this assumption we are discussing these concepts. So please follow our playlist for better understanding of the subject. The link for playlist is provided in the description below. So coming to our subject, today's class. So log probabilities, what is this? Why we need log probabilities in naive Bayes? Let's understand it with an example. So what naive Bayes do is it will identify probability based on the probability naive Bayes works. So how it will calculate is probability of Ck is equal to 1 given list of words, given feedback is equal to, this is the equation to calculate the probability. Probability of Ck is equal to 1, pi I is equal to 1 to n, pi means multiply all these probabilities. The same formula applied for negative class also. Probability of Ck is equal to 1, 0, pi I is equal to 1 to n, probability of Wi given Ck is equal to, it is 0. So what we do here is we have to multiply all the probabilities. Probability of Ck is equal to 1, multiply probability of W1 given Ck is equal to 1, we have to multiply all these values. For suppose if we have 1000 words in our feedback, so we have to multiply 1000 numbers. And the probability values are floating point values, 0.6, it is between 0 and 1. So that's the problem we will face in naive Bayes. 0.2, if we are having 1000 numbers, how the output will be? 0.00000 something, 1000 numbers. It's very difficult to multiply, and that too in floating point numbers we will lose accuracy. That's the basic concepts which we discuss in a digital logic design number system. If you don't know why floating point numbers lose accuracy, please go to our digital logic design course, and in number system we will discuss this concept. Okay, so to overcome this problem, what they have done is they apply log on the probabilities. Whenever we are multiplying, if you apply log on that, what it will do? Log of multiplied values are converted into addition. That's basic log formula, logarithmic formula. So log of probability of Ck is equal to 1 plus log of W1 Ck is equal to 1 plus so on. So multiplication is converted into addition, and that too when you apply log on probability value 0.6, the values will come like that, 2 point something, 5 point something, 10 point something. So it is easy to do calculations. That is what log probability means. Okay, so next coming to imbalanced data set. Let's take an imbalanced data set. 80% are positive values, 20% are negative values, and how we calculate what's the impact of imbalanced data set on our naive Bayes model. That's what we will discuss here. Let's say that this value and this value, for let's take a testing data set. For any testing data set, if these two values are same for this value and this value is same for positive and negative class, so what happened now is probability of Ck is equal to 1 is 0.8, because we are having 80% positive points. That is how we calculate this probability. This probability we call it as prior probability. So probability of Ck is equal to 0 is given as 0.2. So now these two values are same for both positive and negative class. Which value will be considered? So our naive Bayes model will take positive class into consideration. Why positive class is taken into consideration? Because 0.8 into some x value, 0.2 into some x value. Which value is high? This value is high. But it is not good to take this into consideration, because we are taking 80% of positive points. Is it reasonable to select our testing data based on this 80% points? No. Based on this value 0.8? No. That's the problem with the imbalanced data sets. So come again, this point is very important because we have collected 80% of the positive points. We collected 80% of the positive points. Based on that, can you select a testing data? No. So that's the problem with imbalanced data. So what we have to do is, when we are applying for imbalanced data sets, we have to give this as equal value 0.5, 0.5. How to assign equal values, we will discuss this when we discuss the coding part for naive Bayes. Okay. So next, coming to numerical data. Until now we have discussed in our last 5 classes, what we have discussed? We have discussed how to calculate probability on text data. But now if we are having numerical data, how naive Bayes works and how it will calculate probability, because naive Bayes works based on probability values. So let's take an example. This is our numerical data. What it will do is, it will select all the positive points, it will select all the negative points, apply Gaussian distribution on positive points, apply Gaussian distribution on negative points. So take all the positive points, apply Gaussian distribution, take all the negative values and apply Gaussian distribution. This is what our naive Bayes model will use. Let's check how testing data is tested on and how probability is calculated. So let's take a test data. 48 is the numerical value, and text data. We know how to calculate probabilities for this text data. How this 48 is calculated as probability value. So for positive points, we are having this Gaussian distribution. With this Gaussian distribution, we can identify the probability of 48 in positive Gaussian distribution. If the 48 value is here, this is the probability value. So if you are not good at Gaussian distribution, please go to our probability and statistics playlist and come back here. So the same way, it will identify probability of 48 on negative Gaussian distribution. In this way, it will calculate probability values for numerical data. This is what about log probabilities, imbalanced data and numerical features in naive Bayes. Hope you understand the class. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.